Hello and welcome back to another video with I Heart Black Business. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fill a round balloon wall using a hoop stand. Today, we're going to be showing you how to do it with the cluster method. And in a future video, we're going to show you how to build it with a column method, which can be seen as a little bit easier. It might require a little less work up front. So with this cluster method, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a short column that's already going to be built onto the hoop stand. And then we're just going to gather clusters of 8 balloons, attach a couple of those clusters together, and attach them directly to the balloons that are already on the stand. This balloon wall is meant to accompany an emerald green and gold holiday party. That is the theme of the decor, and so we have some green balloons here along with some metallic gold balloons. So the green is really the color of the wall, and the gold is going to be used to accent and fill in extra pops of color. Here we're using 11-inch balloons, and there are a few 2-foot balloons that are being added into it, and we will do the final embellishments with 5-inch metallic gold balloons. So here you can see we have gathered about 3 different clusters of 8 balloons each. We're attaching those together. We're going to pick up that entire piece and try to fit it on top of the balloons that are already attached to the stand. So we just find one point at the top, then we want to try to fit and form the balloons, shape them to where we think it'll fit the best, and then we're going to attach at the middle and at the bottom, and here we're using fishing line. And when we do the future video showing the column method, we will show you how to connect these balloons using 260s instead of fishing line as well, to present some more options to you. So typically when you're doing a square or rectangular balloon wall, you would build the actual shape of the structure first and then go in fitting and forming the balloons, shaping them to make it look more aesthetically pleasing in your design. With these round balloon walls, we are shaping as we go. So that's going to take up a little bit more time up front because we're adding small clusters at a time and shaping it. So hopefully when we're done with this as our base of the wall, all we have to do is go in and add those 5-inch balloons on top. Everything else should go according to the design that we have in mind for this wall. So we only have one more quarter of this balloon wall to go. We're going to continue adding those small clusters in, and the great part about the 2-foot balloons are that they take up a little bit more space and they also add more depth to the wall. So they serve a dual purpose in the styling of the wall, as long as maintaining the balance of the weight on that hoop stand. So we're going to continue adding those small clusters of green and gold. And you see we've already added a couple of the 5-inch balloons, and we're going to continue to shape that until we get to our final product, which you see here. And we did have lots of the 5-inch balloons left over. We were not able to add all of them onto the wall like we initially intended, but it still looks very good. And of course, if you do end up having that extra time, go in and add all your small details and take your balloon wall from a level 3 to a level 5. This balloon wall was built using the cluster method. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can see the next video where we will show you how to build the same type of balloon wall, the round, on a hoop stand using the column method.